Hello, everyone. Imagine an affordable house in a gated community, family-oriented with smart home features, located on a hill about 1.5 kilometers from the North Coast Highway. Mahogany Hill Homes is a new residential development in Chester, above Richmond Estate. Surrounded by lush green sceneries, parks, and open spaces, nature's beauty, yet offering modern amenities and living spaces. 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom bungalow unit with veranda, front and back garden areas for relaxation. The units will have solar water heater with smart home conduits for retrofitting new technologies. Construction to begin in April 2025. Now selling units in Phase H. Floor plan available. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $27,500,000. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.